All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James hanging out with my good buddy Peyman. We are deep in the back alleys of Dubai, and right up ahead, Peyman is bringing us for a full-on Emirati Madfoun delicious meal, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
We're eating like it's in our homes.
It's gonna be good. Check it out, guys. And here we are just cruising through the old alleyways of Dubai.
Yeah, this is awesome. Like, these alleys are supposed to be less than 2 meters.
Yeah, it's tight in here, and it's beautiful. You got that heritage feeling. Yeah. And right up here, old Emirati style restaurant we're going to.
Absolutely, it's Khayma, a new restaurant, but I hear the food is absolutely amazing.
Let's go check it out, guys.
But here we go. So, oh, look at that. So it's always customary to have a little bench in front.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's kind of like when you have time, you know, you just come and you sit over there and you watch people walking by and everything like that. So you always get one of these over here.
This is nice. Oh, and we're going right into the courtyard style.
Yeah, there we go. And they got these old doors, so
let's go check it out. And look at this. Oh, wow. Hi, boss.
How you doing?
Oh,
ooh,
look at this. Oh, it's a giant meat rack. And today we're going to get a full demonstration of it going into this deep oven here. This is beautiful.
Awesome. We say yamin to the right.
Yamin, okay.
Yeah, so the one on the right has to go in first.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Oh, nice and peaceful.
Oh, yeah.
We're so excited. Okay, and this is it. We just got invited into the kitchen. Oh, thank you, Ahmed.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's get these on.
Awesome, because it's super busy. Best time to come in. Let's go.
Let's go check it out. Whoa, it's a full-on rush in here. Look at this. Woo. So aromatic.
Even through the mask.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Welcome, Khayma Restaurant. It's that busy actually. It's a very busy situation.
Busy day, busy day.
This is a very busy day.
Oh, and here we go. This is the full lamb.
This is the lamb, whole lamb.
Wow, nice size.
What kind of lamb is this, Chef? Where is it from?
Actually Georgian.
Georgian
lamb, yeah.
Wow. And this?
We get it from the Baladia, slaughterhouse.
Yeah.
Always we get a fresh lamb from the slaughterhouse. And we select our lamb in a small one, small size, maximum 6 months age.
Maximum 6 months age here.
6 months age. And very soft meat. After cooking, it's amazing flavor. So let's start.
Let's start. Okay.
What about? I see a lot of fat on it, huh, Trevor?
Yeah.
You see that? Like all the white. That's important.
Actually, this fat we need a little bit because when you're cooking in that heavy heat, so it will get melted.
That's what makes it juicy.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Nothing
juicy.
inside your tongue.
Yes.
The juiciness.
Wow.
Oh, the chopping action.
Whoa. Large pieces like that, Trevor. Like the big pieces, no, they don't cut beyond that.
Oh, okay. So you get the full meat, the full platter.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the big pieces.
Yes. So we will wash it now with that vinegar and the lemon and salt water. Nicely wash it with that turmeric. So then,
Oh, turmeric
yeah, after that we'll get this for the marination.
for the marinade. Okay. And look at all the spices for the masala.
These are the spices that we are using, all the spices.
Wow. And then banana leaf.
Oh, nice.
Oh, here
some
we
great banana
go.
leaf.
Oh, the special masala here.
Yeah, special masala for the lamb.
Is it secret to you guys?
It's kind of secret. Yeah.
kind of
It's a
secret.
unique, yeah.
Give us two of the
No
ingredients.
problem. We have
Two.
the coriander, cumin, cardamom, and the spices, chili.
Oh,
Amazing.
yeah. So many
turmeric.
spices here.
All spices will be used.
Amazing.
Also.
Just a
Okay, quick smell, quick smell. Whoa!
Oh, fantastic. Oh, amazing.
Look at that. Oh. Oh.
Wow. It's a strong
Wow.
Oh,
Give
fantastic.
it a kick, right?
There's a lot of spice in there.
Yeah, a lot of spices,
Beautiful.
so many spices are there.
And here we go. Look at this.
Nice.
Okay, so we've got all the ingredients here. We've got the marinated vinegar, turmeric, lemon juice, salt, lamb. We've got the banana leaves. And then there's secret masala right here.
Amazing.
So delicious. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
secret masala
Secret masala.
Amazing.
for the Madfoun.
Madfoun.
Look at that. Oh, it's so thick.
It's amazing. And I love that it is thick like that because then it'll actually
rub it
hold.
now,
It'll
yeah,
rub
it will
properly,
hold nicely.
stick to the meat.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, they rub the outside with the meat and the inside with the bone as well. All of it. Look at that, Trevor. You see the chili pieces and everything on there as well?
Yeah. And there it is. That's the Madfoun.
There we go.
Emirati style.
Yeah, that is what, like, I think that's about 15 kg
Yeah.
or 20 kg or
Yeah.
something.
And Chef was saying this is 3 hours to bake right here.
Wow.
And while Chef is preparing some other stuff, let's take a look at the line here. Ooh. Hi, boss. Oh my goodness. What's this here?
That's lamb Madfoun.
Lamb matchboos.
And we are making now mixed seafood platter.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, and here's the mix.
Margat style.
Margot style.
Yeah, so Margat
Yeah.
style.
Oh, look at that.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Oh man. Oh, and then the final touch. What's this?
Mussels.
Oh, mussel. Oh, and then
cherry.
grilled which?
Grilled cherry fish.
Oh,
Grilled cherry fish.
Shahri.
Shahri fish.
Fantastic fish.
There is so much delicious food here.
Oh my God, this
And
is
finally,
amazing.
fried
Deep fried onion.
Deep fried onion.
Oh, that's the aroma right there.
Exactly.
That's a seafood platter, full-on seafood platter.
That is amazing.
Emirati style.
Emirati style.
Look at that. Okay, let's go back to the Madfoun. Okay, look at this non-stop. Beautiful Madfoun. Homemade masala,
Oh.
premium spices going into that masala, premium level flavor into this Madfoun. This is one of the top dishes to try in the UAE. And there they are, fully wrapped. Look at that, that's a little bundle of joy right there. So this is pretty rare to see.
Yeah, you really will struggle to find a place where you can actually see this being prepared from scratch. Because they'll usually do it far away from town on a farm somewhere.
Okay.
And then bring it to town, so.
And this is just right here.
Just right
in
here.
old Dubai.
Yep.
And there it is, look at that. Ready to go in the pit, right?
It's going to be. It's going to bake. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the rice.
Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, and here we go, starting with all the spices.
Coriander seeds right there.
Oh, it smells, you can smell that
Nice.
licoricey fennel.
Yeah.
Cumin seeds.
Cumin.
Some bay leaves.
Bay leaves.
Nice. And this is all for the Madfoun rice?
Yeah.
Oh, cinnamon.
Cinnamon sticks.
Some cinnamon.
Awesome.
Dried lime.
Oh,
Some
Black
black
lime. Nice.
oh, you can smell that aroma right away. Oh, and then some
cloves.
cloves.
Some cloves.
Cloves.
Some chilies.
Oh, spicy
The
time.
ones you like.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Some curry leaves.
Curry leaves.
Curry leaves. Nice.
Oh, cardamom.
Nice.
Oh, so
Look at
many.
that. Beautiful.
You can smell it all. Like every time you put something down, the aroma just comes right out.
Nice. Black pepper.
Pepper.
Nice. Dried black pepper.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And seeds.
Oh,
Oh, star anise.
star anise.
Yeah.
Star
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Amazing.
Okay, look at all the spices in there.
Our pot
That's
is over
beautiful.
already.
And then the ghee. Okay. Okay, here we go. This looks like a battle weapon we got here.
Then you put the vegetables next.
Vegetable, oh yeah, onion, garlic, carrot, all the aromatics in there.
Wow, look at that color as well.
Yeah.
Added more color on there.
Oh, so many aromas in there.
Beautiful.
Not
Beautiful.
only do you have all the masalas, but then you've got the aromas from the garlic and the bay leaves and the onions and everything just sizzling.
Special our secret masala.
Secret masala.
Yeah, secret masala. Because
Oh, look at the sizzle on the bottom.
Wow, that's beautiful. Look at
Look at
that.
that.
and some salt.
Okay, some salt, hot water.
Boiling hot water. Oh, that's gonna sizzle.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, here's the rice. There it is. Oh, fully in.
So that's the difference, Trevor, between matchboos rice, where you have the protein cooked in oil and all the spices, and then you put the rice into that.
Yes.
Here, there's no protein juice yet.
Okay.
Protein juice comes later.
Comes later. It's gonna drip into it. Slow mixing.
Yeah, slow mixing. Because this it's going to be cooked inside the oven. So we'll not cook over here.
Ah,
Oh, this just pre-mix,
Yeah, it's a premix.
and you put in the oven.
Yeah, put in the oven.
Okay. And then this is the oven here.
I see it's already heating up. I can see like the.
So this is the naan,
This is the naan, it's the bread oven.
and then look at the cage.
Oh my God, they
Full
got.
meat cage. Look at how deep that oven is. Okay, and here's the bread too. Nice. That'll go well with the meat.
Ooh, that is beautiful.
Okay, and here's the lamb. The full lamb. Okay, and one by one, this is custom made, right?
This is custom made. You cannot walk into a store and buy this.
Hand welded. And here's the rice. Look at all that. All the masala has infused into it. So the juices from the lamb are gonna cook into this rice, right?
Yeah, look at that. They're just gonna drip, like drop by drop with the heat.
Wow.
And it's just gonna add so much flavor. Oh,
Wow.
it's happening now.
Fire's coming.
Like it's
Fire's
getting made.
coming. Oh, and here
Starting to
comes the
get ready.
chains. Okay, and here we go. This is the moment of truth.
Whoa!
Here we go.
Oh, it just.
Okay, just
like
sliding in. Okay, now it's dropping it in.
Now dropping in.
This is amazing. Look at that. Rice going down
The fire.
and into the fire.
Color, yes.
Oh,
You feel the heat.
it's hot. Okay, another step here.
Next, another step.
Next step.
Oh,
Oh.
what's
The
that?
mixture, we are going to seal this cover now.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like a batter.
It's a batter.
Is it like a bread batter?
Yeah, it's a bread batter.
Bread batter.
Whoa.
Ooh. Heavy lid. Okay, and here's the
Look
bread.
at that. You can tell like air is coming out right
Oh,
now.
yeah.
Look at that. You see that?
Oh,
But
yeah.
they're gonna seal now.
Oh, it's got a seal fully.
You're going to see it like this.
Oh, like the old style with the bread batter.
Wow. Yeah.
Some places use like mud, right? But here using the bread batter.
Bread batter. Wow.
You can see the difference here. There's no
Look at that.
steam, no steam
Yeah.
coming here, but here it's got to be sealed
Steam.
still. Oh yeah, look,
So when it's fully cooked, this one will get like a crispy. It's
Yeah.
fully cooked. Then
crispy.
Nice.
Oh yeah,
Look at that.
look
it
at that.
dripping. It's, so nice.
It's dripping
Actually,
batter.
So nice.
Yeah. So now we're gonna wait 3 hours
Yeah.
and then have a full-on Emirati feast. So we're just waiting for our lamb to cook, and they're having some nice local music.
Traditional songs, traditional music, traditional drum beats. Nice. Whoa.
Okay, so here we are. Let's take a look at how it comes out.
All right, it's finally time.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it. It's been 3 hours now, and the lid is completely dry. And look, just gonna scrape it off.
Oh.
Okay. Break the seal. Here we go. This
All
is
right.
the moment.
They got the steam in
Let's
there.
see.
Steam. Ooh.
Ooh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, there it is. The rice is coming. Oh, is it tender? Oh, let's take a look. Oh, the Madfoun with the banana leaf.
Oh, look at
Wow.
that. Ooh.
Oh, you can smell the aroma. Ooh, look at it.
Whoa.
That smells unreal.
That's fantastic. Okay.
Oh, look at the slide. Look at the slide. There it is. Oh, here's the collection. Oh, those are huge lamb chunks.
Huge.
Ready to go. 3 hours.
Wow.
Okay, let's see how this is done. Really interesting.
Oh, look at that color. And look
Wow.
at this. You see the drops? So this is all the drops.
Oh, the meat
gone
drops,
into
the
it.
juice
Look at that,
drops.
The juice.
Look at the meat juice is dripping.
Oh,
Wow.
so nice.
And
Look at
that's what fell into the rice.
That is what's falling into the rice.
Here it is.
Ooh, look at
There
that
we
steam.
go.
Whoa, that's- oh.
So fluffy. So steamy. Here's the lamb.
Oh, with the banana leaf.
The Madfoun. Look at that bone. Oh. And then fried onion.
Yeah, fried onion.
Oh, that's the aroma.
Oh, look at this meat just falling
Oh.
off the bone.
That looks
Nice.
so tender. You can probably just grab the bone and it'll come out.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that. Wow, look at the meat.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
That's incredible.
Look what happened to all the spices, Trevor. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, look at that. Look how soft it is. Oh, it's perfectly cooked.
Wow.
Oh,
Look at the
that's
color
just-
of that.
Oh, and the fat is going to give it a lot of flavor too. Let's get a nice tender piece.
Let's get some of this as
Some
well.
rice.
Oh, this one over here, Trevor. You need this right here.
Oh,
Look at
I
it,
got
look
a
at
piece.
look at that. You got one of those?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Wow. And I love the secret blend of premium masala you put on the skin there. And the meat juices have cooked into the rice, right? So it's dripping and flavoring the rice. Thank you. Let's try it out.
Let's go.
Oh!
Wow, that's fantastic. That,
Oh!
my piece of meat just like it melted.
It's
completely.
so tender. It's like buttery. It's
Yeah, so buttery. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, fantastic.
It's so tender like butter.
Yum.
All flavored so well. Not overpowering, just smooth. Wow, that is delicious. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you very much.
Incredible.
Amazing.
Let's go eat that.
Super.
Let's go.
Let's go. So our appetizers are here.
Wow.
The bread is here.
Beautiful.
And he's got this awesome thing over here, which is what you put the food on actually. So this is super cool. This is
Super
the
cool.
bark from the date tree.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's made, so it's basically supposed to, it's the old, this plastic thing. So look at that, you put that on the floor, and you put the food straight onto that.
Nice. Oh, and here's the Madfoun. Wow, there it is. In this beautiful traditional
Welcome.
family room here.
Fantastic. So,
Look at that.
traditional setup for us.
So beautiful. Look at that.
Open.
Let's open it up. Ooh, falling off the bone. So we got the Madfoun. We got some fried calamari.
Got some hummus.
Beautiful hummus. Look at that. Smooth, silky.
Beetroot salad.
Wow, and then a
Look at
nice
that with walnuts.
Oh, walnuts. And then there's fresh bread here too.
This is from the tanur.
From the
So they
tanur.
made it fresh right into the. Hey, he says have the bread with the hummus.
Oh, good.
That's the way.
And this is what it's all about. Yeah.
So you see what he said? He said أضرب بالخمس. أضرب means hit with the five fingers. It
Oh,
means
eat with the
Eat with the
hands.
hands, yeah.
It's better, right?
أضرب بالخمس.
Bulhams.
Yeah, بالخمس.
بالخمس.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. It's hubbly bubbly. Hubbly bubbly. Hubbly bubbly. And then, oh, it's so hot, it's so fresh.
hot.
And then you just, al-khams,
بالخمس.
belhams with the rice, right?
With the rice, there we go.
Okay, and then just take some
Get it
rice
good.
with some onion, some piaz. Okay. Belhams with hands.
بالخمس.
Emirati style.
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh my God. You taste all the spices?
So many spices in there. So smooth. Aromatic.
Oh.
Look at that. It's just so melts in your mouth.
Oh my God, it is so nice.
And the rice is so fluffy.
Oh, it's amazing.
That sauce, that masala.
You know, they make it thick like that so it sticks to the meat. And it's so flavorful.
You like that thing?
I think even those people who don't like lamb,
Oh, they like this.
This will convert you. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God, look at the juice.
Melt in your mouth like butter. You probably don't even need a fork. Just finger. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God, that is amazing.
That's the next level right there of
Eat that.
lamb.
Eat that.
Wow.
Butter.
Butter.
Just like butter, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Thank you, chef.
Chef,
Wow. Amazing food.
this is brilliant,
Thank
chef.
you. It's the best ever. It's the best ever.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
It's amazing.
Welcome to our Khayma restaurant.
Thank you.
It's my
Thank you.
pleasure to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too.
I hope you enjoy our food.
Amazing.
So
We're loving
delicious.
it.
It's so delicious.
I think we're gonna sleep here tonight.
Yeah. What an awesome day. Thanks to Al Khayma Restaurant for that incredible meal. And you guys got to go check out Peyman's YouTube channel in the description below. Go subscribe. He's got an awesome channel, and we would love to hear from you in the comments below.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Great night.
guys.
Great
Thanks.
night.